y'all? It's your girl Nika J back with another video, and today is tutorial Monday. So what I'm going to show you today is how to do braiding 3 different ways because everybody learns differently. So it's actually going to be like individual braids or box braids, but they're not going to be as big as box braids. But you can do them any type of way. And this is on regular hair, like non-textured hair, because it's easy to braid with textured hair. It's not easy to braid with hair that's people who are mixed or who are not African American. So my doll here has non-textured hair. It's like mixed people hair or other people hair who's not African American. So for me, I'm going to part it. I just took some random section to do these braids. I really didn't think about it. Really didn't matter where it was going to come from, the side, the back, whatever. Alright, so here I am just taking pieces. That piece I just clipped is going to be where my 3 braids are. And then I'm just trying to smooth it out so I won't have any like stragglies or loose hair that's going to go into my braids. So I'm going to make sure that it's not going to go into it. So I'm making it smooth at the top so it's not going to be in my way. And I could see what I'm doing, see the lines and the partings, I mean. Same thing with the bottom. Boom. Okay, did that. So here's the hair. And here's my water bottle. Now, I like to spray my clients who are not African American with water or hairspray to give it a tacky type texture. So when I wet it, all the hair come together. It's stringy, like there's no frizz, there's no nothing. And that's how I like to braid people who are not African American or who have wavy or this type of texture hair. So here I am parting my 3 braids. Boom, bam. Okay, the hair is already wet. Here's the braiding hair. You can buy this at any like Sally's, but I would prefer like a beauty supply store. All right, so here's the braiding hair. You're gonna have 2 strands on each side and a middle. So you're gonna use your middle to grab it with your ring finger and your pinky. Then put it over your middle and your pointer and your thumb. So you see how I did that? Boom, over, and then put your thumb over. And your ring finger is gonna grab it. So then you take your 2 fingers and your thumb to hold the hair where the client hair is. And that loose hair is gonna go on the opposite side. So now you got your right hand has the real hair and the 2 holding parts you're holding is the fake hair. Like that. That's how you start it. Then you're gonna take your left hand and flip your wrist to make the outside hair make a twist, just like that. And that bottom part is gonna be your middle strand. You're gonna take the fake hair and the real hair and twist it. So all you're doing is twisting the outside and the middle. So twist, take the middle, twist, take the middle, twist, take the middle. This is why I wet it. Twist, take the middle. Twist your wrist, take the middle. And you keep doing that and that's your braid. Now, if you already know how to braid without fake hair, once you get it attached, then you just braid it regular. So here I am again, showing you guys twist and take the middle. Twist, I'm taking the middle braid. I'm gonna twist my left to make it twist and take the middle braid. I like to tell people the middle person is like all 3 is like a person, and the middle girl don't know which nigga she want. So she go from this guy to that guy to this guy and till she make up her mind. So here I am with the last part. Now the part on the left is the actual hair of the doll. So I'm going to take some from one of the strands and borrow hair. So she figured out who she wanted to be with. And then you just go back to braiding regular. All right. That's it for that one, and I'll be back for the second one. All right, so this is the finished product. It's tight, it's on there, and there's your first braid. All right, for the second braid, here's another braiding hair. I am going to split it in half, and then I'm going to wrap them around each other. So I'm going to put one over the other, and it's going to make like they're looping each other to hold each other together, which is different from what I did to the first braid. I didn't do this to the first braid. So now I'm going to put them between my palms and my middle finger. And this time it will be my pointer and my thumb. That's it. That's going to grab the hair. So you do the same thing you did with the first one. You make a loop around it. And then you pull the hair and then you twist your wrist. So this time I was twisting my wrist outward. Now I'm trying to twist it inward, if that makes any sense. Still getting the same look, the same thing. I'm just trying to explain them 3 different ways so people can understand that there's different ways of braiding, and however you feel comfortable, whichever way. Sorry, my camera had dropped, so here I am trying to finish this braid, but I'll be back for the other braid to explain to you guys. All right, so here I am wetting this last braid. Like I said, I like to have it wet, not dry, for braiding purposes. So the frizzes and stuff, I can control the hair. So now with the braiding hair, I'm going to put it in 3 parts. It's still going to be 1 part, but it's going to be like you divided it. Like, okay, it's one whole thing, like the beginning, but I'm going to pinch the middle and then separate it on one side into 2, like that. So my left side is 2 different, but it's the same braiding. So I am going to twist the hair to my thumb is going to be attached, like I'm holding the doll's head and the braiding hair together. So I just made a twist like normal, and then you just loop it and do the same steps you did for the other 2 braids. So you twist it and grab the middle. You twist it and grab the middle. You never grab the outside hair like a regular braid. So basically what you want to do with the braiding hair is make it either become 3 on its own, or you put the 3rd strand as your hair strand or as someone else's hair strand, if that makes sense, because you always braid with 3 if you're doing a regular braid. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys like. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And see you on my next video.